Good evening, and welcome to Making It Grow, a common sense approach to gardening in South Carolina. I'm Roland Austin with the Clemson Extension Service. Tony Melton, County Extension Agent from Florence and Darlington County. Tony, welcome once again.
Well, hello from the great PD, Roland.
And of course, on the other end of our air-conditioned studios of WRJA, we have Debbie Hayes, better known throughout the South now as Webby Debbie. Good evening, Deb.
Good evening, Roland. We already have quite a few people in the chat room asking some really great questions.
Next to Kevin is Amanda McNulty, here with Clemson Extension in Sumter. Good evening, Amanda. Thanks for joining us.
Well, I'm delighted to be here. Thank you for asking me.
Things going well for you guys here?
We're having a pretty good time here in Sumter. We
Lovely.
really are.
And next to me is Carlin Munley.
Andy Rollins is County Extension Agent in Kershaw County. Andy, it's a brand new set. What do you think about it?
It's good to be here, Roland. Beautiful.
It looks like an old South Carolina country store, doesn't it?
Brings you back to old times.
And we love to have you come in and chat with us.
Now, it's hot, but it's no hotter than if you had a manicure going, okay? So,
Yeah, I have one every week.
okay,
Right,
so
yeah. But it's also got a secret ingredient. Share it with me. I'm not going to tell a soul.
Now, okay, since it's you, I'm gonna tell you. The secret ingredient to our sauce is love. You put love in it, you'll get love back.
Happy gardening, everyone. Happy gardening. Very good. So for the last time, I'll look at you and tell you two things. God bless all of you, and happy gardening, everyone.
Hello, gardeners. I'm Amanda McNulty of Clemson Extension, and thank you so much for joining us tonight for SCETV's own gardening show, direct from downtown Sumter, Making It Grow.